Greeting to Dr. Romazila and my fellow friends. Today my team will be present about preschool and childcare curriculum STEM. Before I start, let me introduce you to my team member. The first one is me. As my team leader, my name is Hugh Lee Chang. The second one is Sharia Benya Anak Jampi as my assistant. The next one is Nurul Aini binti Husin. After that, Eliada Jacquelina binti Jubili. And the last one is Ruwita Avanza. First of all, what is STEM education? Acronym for STEM education is Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics. According to the National Science Teacher Association, NSTA, a common definition for STEM education is an interdisciplinary approach to learning where rigorous academic concepts are coupled with real-world lessons as students apply science, technology, engineering, and mathematics in contexts that make connection between school, community, work, and the global enterprise, enabling the development of STEM literacy and with it the ability to compete in the new economy. The early childhood curriculum in Malaysia is called Curriculum Permata Negara, Permata 2013, which is literally translated as National Gemstone Curriculum. Permata in the Malay language means gemstone or diamond. It is named as such because the Malaysian government believes that every child is precious, just like a gemstone or a diamond, which need to be cut, shaped, and polished to reveal its brilliant final beauty. As we can see at the left picture, there is no explicit documentation of STEM in the early childhood curriculum, but the element of STEM can be conceptual model of its curriculum, which is leaf from Permata. The learning areas which allude to STEM is early mathematics and logical thinking, and sense and understanding the world. The picture at the left side is integrating Permata and STEM pedagogy. One of the characteristics of children is their inquisitive nature, constantly asking questions about the world around them. This led to the strong advocacy of inquiry-based science education. The advocated pedagogical approach in the early childhood curriculum in Malaysia is that of play pedagogy, Permata 2013 P34, which entails exploration, experimentation, and experiencing, which is 3E. However, this play pedagogy is devoid of the explicitly stated opportunity for children to equal and to collaborate, create, and communicate, which has been strongly advocated for by early childhood education. Therefore, the pedagogical approach proposed for this study on STEM integration is that the project-based inquiry learning (PIL), which promote the I plus 3E plus 3C by means of four interdependent phases, namely inquiry, exploration, experimentation or creation, and reflection. Next is early mathematics and logical thinking in Permata curriculum. The focus on early mathematical concept is shape, size, space, position, and quantity. Next is size for long, short, height, and low. And then pattern, arrangement, group, and classifications. After that is time, schedule, and routine. Time, day, calendar, initial concept of numbers, and number concept, and the last one is easy estimation. The last but not least from me is sense and understanding the world in Permata curriculum. The scope of this field of learning is nature, which is children explore plant, animals, insect, human, dinosaur, ancient animal or living things. The second one is physical world, consists of natural events such as rain, heat, cold, wind, other than exploring shapes, size, pattern, machines, poise, magnet, movement, pressure, and technology. After that is universal, which is all things found in nature, such as hills, mountains, volcanoes, oceans, rivers, lakes, swamps, skies, clouds, rain, rainbow, sun, moon, stars, and planets. And the last one is nature of materials, which is children explore the materials around them, such as stone, wood, soil, water, air, chemical, milk, flour, sugar, salt, soap, paper, cloth, color, and the food stuff. This is all from me, and then I will pass to my another teammate. Thank you.
Now I will talk about STEM KSPK. KSPK basically based on science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. This is module of STEM KSPK. Figure 1 show mathematics curriculum framework for early childhood education that is for 5 until 6 years old based on science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The mathematics curriculum framework for early childhood education based on STEM have 6 topics as provided in the early mathematics in KSPK, which are pre-number experiences, number concepts, number operation, value of money, time concept, and shape and space. Following the mathematics curriculum framework, the lesson is conducted using the 5E instructional model, which is engage. The objective of the first step of the 5E model are reaching students, getting their attention and guiding them to focus on a problem or equation. This step also stimulates their prior knowledge and help relate what they have already learned to new concepts. Second is explain. In this phase, teachers take an active role by introducing more details in the form of terms, definition and explanation for a specific subject or concept. Student begins to talk about their understanding and show the new skill they have learned. Third is explore. In this phase of the 5E model, activities are introduced to provide students with materials and concepts in order to start to investigate the idea presented. They may discuss ideas with other students in groups and relate what they have already learned to this new idea. The teacher will know how much the student already know about the subject of the lesson. Fourth is extend. In this phase, teachers use activities that are challenging but can be achieved by the students. The students increase their understanding and begin to sharpen the skill through these learning experiences. They are encouraged to utilize what they have learned and apply it to a different but related concept. 5 is evaluate. This final phase is used to evaluate the final outcome. However, the 5E model is designed so that teachers can evaluate students' progress throughout the process by using formative assessment. Next is development. Based on the 6 main topics in the early mathematics, there are pre-number experiences, number concepts, number operation, value of money, time concept, and shape and space. The researcher developed the standard learning outcomes accordingly. For example, the pre-number experience topic was divided into several sessions of content standard, namely, first is matching one-to-one is the association of similar or different objects. Examples of matching one-to-one for 4 years old children are as follows. A. Match identical pairs of things such as shoe, sock. B. Match non-identical pairs of things such as fork, spoon, shirt, pants. And C. Match two groups of objects that have equal quantity. Comparison is a process of associating two objects which use specific characteristics as a basis for comparison. Examples of comparison are measurement, long short, size big small, weight heavy light, and quantity, namely a few. Seriation is the arrangement of more than two objects according to succession based on clear criteria, for example, small to big and short to long. Patterns are the way numbers or objects have been arranged according to a defined pattern. Consistency is an aspect which can be connected to mass, volume, and area. The concept of consistency is introduced to ensure that children will understand the concept of mass and volume, even though they are placed or arranged in different places or situations. For example, understand that spreading out or putting closely a group of objects does not affect its quantity, and understand the shape of jar does not affect its amount. STEM subjects in school is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. STEM package core subjects such as science, technology, engineering, mathematics. These subjects apply in the school, especially for the student in KSPK and Permata. That's all from me. Thank you.
STEM elements in the curriculum. STEM includes three elements. First, knowledge, two, skill, and three, values. First, knowledge. Knowledge is an idea, concept, principle, theory, and understanding in the field of STEM formulated in the curriculum of all STEM subjects. The plan and developed curriculum aims to provide students with adequate knowledge, skills, and values through activities provided by teachers in or outside the classroom during learning. Number 2. STEM skill. STEM skills are competencies to explore, solve problems, design, and produce products. STEM skills consist of process skills and technical skills. Process skills are the skills used in the learning process and applied knowledge in problem solving. Involve science process skills, mathematical process skill, design skill forms, and skill of computational thinking. Second, technical skill. Skills involving psychomotor that include manipulative skill, management skills, and handling of material, tools, and machines in a manner that correct and safe. And the last one, STEM values. STEM values are positive morals and guidelines as well as guidelines that STEM students must follow. Among the values emphasized are systematic, objective, consistent, rational thinking, perseverance, commitment, responding to challenge, open mind, innovative, and others.
Strategy of PDP. There are three strategies of PDP. The first one is inquiry. This approach stimulates the curiosity in students to bring the instinct to investigate to find answer or solution to a question. Solving a problem. This is based on learning method where students can solve problem with their own collaborative and student ability. Subject based. This learning activity approach has a long history, integrate various disciplines, is a student-centered and related to real-life practice. A project is defined as an ordinary task, construction, or investigation that leads to a specific goal. Okay, next, STEM practice. There are 8 practice in STEM. The first one is ask a question, identify problem, develop and using mode, get information, evaluate and communicate about finding, planning and run investigation, analyze and interpret data, using mathematical thinking and computational thinking, explain and create solution form, and the last one is engage in debate and discussion based on data and fact. Student profile 21st century. STEM practice are in line with student profile 21st century aspire to the curriculum. There are 9 student profile. The first one is patriotic, loving or concerned, thinker, informative, principle, powerful hold-on, a teamwork, characteristic want to know, and skill communicate. Characteristic of PDP STEM. Here are 7 characteristics of PDP STEM that have been outlined by the Curriculum Development Division. The first one is be sensitive to real-world issue and problem. Provide various answer or solution with justification. Inquiry, project, or problem solving in real life. Productive teamwork. Apply understanding of STEM content. Provide opportunities to improve ideas or product. And the last one is apply design process skill.
Hello everyone, my name is Eleda Jacqueline binti Jubilee. Today I would like to present about school rule. Okay, the first rule is empowering school STEM education through strategic planning, tactical planning and operation planning. Also, professional learning community, LCP. Second rule is manifest the STEM culture. Third, promoting STEM information to stakeholders. Number 4, increase student interest in STEM learning. Number 5, creating collaboration to cultivate STEM best practice. Number 6, teachers need to enhance their knowledge in STEM. Okay, 7, implement continuously to detect and evaluate the effectiveness of the STEM education. So the next slide, the role of STEM teacher. Teacher must provide PDP activities that, number 1, attract interest, motivate, and relevant. Number 2, apply and integrate STEM. Number 3, use inquiry methods, problem solving, or projects. Number 4, give students the chance to explore various types of media. And number 5, give students the chance to analyze and synthesize information and make conclusions. So the last is encouraging students to work together as a team. In conclusion, students have a solid foundation in knowledge, skill, and STEM value as well, and has cultivating STEM practice. And also, students will gain interest and confidence in venturing into a more challenging field of STEM. That's all our group, and thank you.